Applying for a credit card can lower your credit score, but the application itself is usually not the biggest problem. The larger risk comes from submitting several applications within a short period or taking on more credit than you can manage. By the end of this video, you'll know what actually happens when you apply for a credit card, how long the effects can last, and when an application is worth it. The first thing that may happen is a hard inquiry. A hard inquiry is created when a lender checks your credit report as part of a credit application. Seeing one hard inquiry on your report is normal, and usually isn't a reason to avoid applying for a card you genuinely need. The second change happens if you're approved. Your average account age may decrease because you've added a new account. For some people, that can temporarily affect their credit score. At the same time, your total available credit usually increases, which can help lower your overall credit utilization if you don't increase your spending. That's why one new card can have both positive and negative effects. The short-term impact may not look great, but responsible use over time often strengthens your credit profile through consistent payment history and better utilization. Problems usually start when people apply for several cards at once. Multiple hard inquiries and several brand new accounts can make lenders wonder whether you're taking on too much new debt. If you're planning to apply for a mortgage, auto loan, or another major loan soon, opening unnecessary credit cards beforehand may not be the best move. If your application is denied, the hard inquiry may still remain on your credit report, even though you didn't receive a new account. That doesn't mean your credit is permanently damaged. It simply means you should understand why the application was declined before trying again. The smartest approach is to apply only for cards that match your current credit profile. Read the issuer's eligibility requirements, compare the card's features, and choose one that fits your financial goals, instead of submitting applications to several banks, hoping one gets approved. Here's the simple takeaway. One well-planned credit card application is a normal part of building credit. Repeated applications without a clear strategy create unnecessary risk and can reduce your approval chances. Before you apply, review your credit report, decide whether you actually need a new card, and choose the one that best fits your situation. If this helped clear things up, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit tips.